Nelson Forensics was started back in 1994 in Dallas, Texas. I was involved in a construction defect evaluation and was fascinated by the world of investigative engineering, which has now grown into architectural investigations, engineering investigations, and cost estimating. We now provide a multidiscipline approach to complex building problems. Nelson Forensics is a company that basically determines what happened. We answer the why in buildings, infrastructure, and equipment failures. Whether it breaks, bulges, burns, or blows up, we're there to solve the problem and find the root cause and solution.